Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Check the power source and ensure the TV is properly plugged in. Reset your TV by unplugging it for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. If your TV still doesn't turn on, inspect the remote control batteries, or try turning on the TV using the physical power button. If the issue persists, it might require professional repair.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.